What's up, Talleywackers? First day of ice fishing. Well, standing on a dock, but there's ice, so it's ice fishing. Looks like it's about 1 inch thick and building, so that's good. I don't have any wax worms. I couldn't find any that's selling any wax worms as of yet, so I'm just gonna fish off this dock, and maybe this little bit of structure will do me well. I know it's fairly deep. I don't know how deep. I'm gonna put my flasher down in here and find out how deep it is. I know it's fairly deep. I just don't know how deep. And like I said, hopefully mark a couple fish, put a couple panfish on the dock, and I don't know. So let's just try and see. Try something small first. The only thing I have is little gulp, tiny minnow looking things, and never tried this before. This oh, where's that? These things, egg chain. I don't know. Weird looking dealies. Huh. Maybe try one of those first and see what happens. Says it outfishes live bait and outlasts live bait, so I don't know. So we're gonna find out. They're like little tiny egg looking things. Kind of tough material. I don't know. See what happens. Get this guy out. Somebody was out here. Some line. Yeah, that's exactly what I like to see, is garbage. Yay. Looks like there's fish down there. Huh. Cool. Sure looks like fish. Some. Just gotta figure out what the heck they want to eat. Wax worms, like usual. The minnow heads. They're freaking chasing it. It's going back down. I've got to figure out what they're wanting to eat. There's one coming in hot. Oh man, he hit it. Freaking hit it. Oh boy. I think we might be onto something here. Got one. Sweet. What do we got? Oh man, you're kidding me. First fish out of the ice. Sweet. Little crappie. Little tiny guy. Ain't very big, but he's gonna do. Sweet. Little crappie guy. Oh man. Can't believe it. There is crappie down here. Yay. I'm seeing a bunch of fish. Probably a bunch of small crappie, but spent all day river fishing with my brother. Well, all morning. Didn't catch a single fish. Didn't even get a bite. I came out here last night just to scope things out. I'm like, you know what? There's probably some fish underneath this underneath this dock. And I was right. Look and see if there's any fish in the other hole. Real quick. Yep, sure is. another one. Sweet. Another little guy. Boy, it's just littered down there with them things. We'll take the little ones. I'm not scared. Sweet, man. There's one coming. Didn't hit it though. Is he still on it? No. He was on it. There's one on it. Right on it. Right on it. But he won't leave it alone. He's coming. There he is, right on it. Just take it, bud. Right on it. He swam away? Yeah, he swam away. Let's keep trying. Ooh, fight. Got him again. Another little guy. Oh, he choked it. I forgot what those little bites feel like. Just a little tiny tink and then slack. Nothing spectacular about these guys, but I'll take them. Just little tiny guys. A little sideways for some reason. Didn't even feel that one bite. Another little guy. Man, they're just little, but you know what? I like fish. I like catching them. Especially first ice. No better than that. Just littered with fish. I mean, the whole 5 foot and down is littered with fish. Was that one? Yep. Man, get out of there. Another little guy. Just swallowing it though. This place is littered with crappies. I catch crappie here all the time. I cannot believe it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that is a lot of fish down there. I figured there might be because there's really absolutely no structure down here at all in this lake. This is the first dock that's ever been on here, minus the one by the boat ramp. And it's not in the water, and it's shallow over there, so. Oh man. Got another one. Lots and lots of fish today. They're tiny, but I don't see you guys out here fishing. I don't even have to look at the flasher anymore. Just so many, I can't even see my bait. It's freaking crazy. Bite, yep. Another one. Man, one fish after another. I will take it. Well, I would say that the gulp outlasts live bait because stuff is strong. And it's actually been doing the job. I'm actually pretty surprised. Another one. I can't even feel them biting, they're so small. That one's barely hooked. He wasn't even hooked. Wow. I came down here not expecting to catch a freaking thing. There's just this ginormous school of crappie underneath this dock. Something's on it. Swing off to the side. Got him. Got him. Oh, it's the biggest one yet. Oh boy. Look how miniature that guy is. It's a pretty one though. The way he's built. It's a well-built fish. They're small. I wish they were bigger. But gosh dang. Nothing like it. Nothing freaking like it. Especially when the thing is littered like that. I mean, I ain't crapping you. It's 12.5 feet deep. Or 13, depending on where my transducer is in the water. And all the way up to 3.5 is fish. Solid all the way up to 7. That's a lot of fish, man. Took my little gulp guy. I'm going to see if it works without it. Thinking it might. Yep, sure does. Works without it. Yep, same situation. Turn the camera off for a little bit. I'm just catching a bunch of dinkers. But fish. I like catching fish. Let's go check a couple more holes here to find it. See if we can see anything else. Check the other side of the dock here. Something down there. Oh, there's some fish. See if we can find some bigger ones. Something down there. Yeah, there's fish there. See if we can get anything over here. There's definitely some fish over there. A lot of fish. Something's on it. Nothing like over there. There's one. Same type of fish. Yep. Same type of fish. Let's go over here. Try. Oh boy. A lot of fish. Go back over here. Oh, just loaded. Man, that is crazy. How many fish are right here? So easy to catch. Oh. Just tiny little grub looking guy. I don't know. Never used them before. Seen him at the store. I said to myself, I gotta have it. Let's try and catch one off the gulp. Minnow looking thing. I got my doubts with this guy, but we're gonna give it a whirl. Oh, hit it right away. right away. So apparently they'll hit about anything down there. These little squirmy fellers. Inhaled that. Now we got it. Ooh, biggest one so far. All right, getting bigger. That's what we want to see. Maybe I'll catch some keepers today. Biggest one yet. Nice. Pretty white crappie. Running off to the side. Must mean I got a fish. Ooh, is it bigger? No. Just acted bigger. Black crappie. Yeah, it's a black one. Black ones are shaped a little bit different. I like how white crappies get, in my opinion, a little bigger. The black ones have more stout to them, more football shaped. Man, why am I catching so many? This is ridiculous. I am honestly losing count of how many fish I'm catching, but switched it up a few times just to kind of see what's working and what's not. And honestly, as long as it's small and moving around, they're biting it. But they're small, dumb fish, so I'm not surprised. Now we'll get it down there a couple more times, catch a couple more fish, and go home. That one there, didn't even feel it bite. Gosh dang. Little white guy. Catch one more and go home and finish my laundry and make some goulash. I'm going off to the side. Second biggest one, I think, of the day. Pants are so full of slime. I lied. Let's go for another one. Thing went off to the side for some reason. It's probably a fish. Missed him though. I think that's one right there. Yep. Last one. Ooh, he's pretty too. Pretty black crappie. Mint. Except for his tail right there. He's got a little nick in it. Oop. Sorry, guy. He made it back though. He's good. I bet they'll eat that. Oh, don't even sink. Floats. Alright, let's get out of here. Well, that's it. Didn't go bad. That's good. Actually caught some fish. Uh-oh. Found my keys. They're around here somewhere. That could be bad. No, I didn't drop them. I think I just moved them so I wouldn't lose them. Well, I mean, it could have been a lot better, but first ice fishing, maybe 30 crappie. Tiny guys, but they're still fish. And like I said before, I don't see you guys out here fishing, so which is probably a good idea because there wasn't a whole lot of big fish or anything. So no keepers, just a little bit of fun getting out for the day, and now I get to go home. But as always, thanks for watching Talleygo, and I'll see you next time.